Experiencing issues with sending messages on Facebook Marketplace? You're not alone. As of August 2025, this is one of the most frequently reported problems across all platforms, even with Meta's ongoing updates to improve the system. Facebook Marketplace uses a hybrid messaging system that combines three key components. First, Messenger integration routes all messages through Facebook's Messenger infrastructure. Second, commerce-specific features provide automated responses and payment integration. Third, cross-platform synchronization ensures messages sync across mobile apps, desktop, and web versions. Understanding the root causes helps us target our troubleshooting efforts. Network connectivity issues account for 35% of messaging failures. App cache and data corruption cause 28% of problems. Account restrictions or shadow banning affect 20% of cases. Platform-specific bugs contribute 12%, while server-side issues cause the remaining 5%. Network connectivity is the leading cause of messaging failures. Poor Wi-Fi signals, switching between networks, or unstable mobile data can prevent messages from sending. Always check your connection strength and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate network-related issues. App cache and data corruption cause over a quarter of messaging problems. When Facebook's cache becomes corrupted or your device runs low on storage, messaging features can fail. Regular cache clearing and maintaining adequate storage space are essential for reliable messaging. Now that we understand the common causes, we can approach troubleshooting systematically. Start with checking your network connection, then clear app cache and free up storage space. Restart both Facebook and Messenger apps, and if issues persist, move on to platform-specific solutions, which we'll cover in detail next. Different devices require different approaches to fix Facebook Marketplace messaging issues. We'll cover specific solutions for Android phones, iPhones, and desktop computers. For Android devices, we'll start with the most effective solution, clearing app cache and data. This resolves messaging issues in about 65% of cases. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, find Facebook, and tap Storage. Clear the cache first, and if the problem persists, clear the app data as well. Ensure both Facebook and Messenger apps are updated to their latest versions. If updates don't resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling both apps completely. Check that Facebook has network permissions and test messaging on both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, disable battery optimization to prevent Android from limiting Facebook's background activity. For iPhone users, the first step is to force close and restart both the Facebook and Messenger apps completely. Double-tap the Home button to see running apps, then swipe up on both Facebook and Messenger to close them. Restart both applications fresh. Update both iOS and the Facebook app to their latest versions. If problems persist, you can reset network settings, though this will clear saved Wi-Fi passwords. Desktop users should start by clearing their browser cache and cookies, which often resolves messaging synchronization issues. Clear your browser cache and specifically delete Facebook cookies. You can also test messaging in incognito or private browsing mode to isolate the issue. Use a modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge with the latest updates. Disable browser extensions that might interfere, and temporarily disable VPN or check firewall settings. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, there are advanced options, including account health checks and using Facebook Business Suite for more reliable messaging. Review your account for any policy violations or restrictions. Business users should consider Facebook Business Suite for more reliable messaging. If issues persist, contact Meta support with detailed error information and timestamps. Remember to try these solutions in order of priority. Start with the basic platform-specific fixes, and only move to advanced troubleshooting if the simpler solutions don't resolve your messaging issues.